by exposure to asbestos. Even families of exposure victims are at risk from secondary exposure. 10,000 Americans die each year from mesothelioma-related diseases. Many people silently suffer from the effects of mesothelioma, and yet there are billions of dollars set aside to compensate mesothelioma victims and their families. Even if the victim is deceased or the company that caused the exposure is closed, you can still apply for and get compensation. Most mesothelioma cases don't even go to court. Instead, they settle out of court, many times netting the victims $1 million or more. The Helios Legal Group can help you get the compensation you deserve. But the clock is ticking. There are statutes of limitations that differ in every state that cover how long you have to file a claim. Call our mesothelioma hotline right now for your free, no-obligation consultation.
Sheffield Mesothelioma is a good place to come after you've been injured. We handle car accident cases, we handle dog bite cases, we handle slip and fall cases, we handle all cases of personal injury arising out of someone else's negligence. Even right after the accident, insurance companies will be all over you, even while you're in the hospital, asking you for a statement, asking you about your injuries. What we'd like you to do is focus on getting better, and if an insurance company calls you, tell them very firmly and politely that you're not in a condition to talk to them right now. Then you want to come and see us. We're here to protect you. We've had over 25 years of experience in dealing with insurance companies and their tricks and their tactics, and we will stand up to them. What sets our firm apart from other firms across Connecticut is that our clients also become our friends. And that is because we treat each client and their injuries and their claim in a very unique fashion. We give them personal service. And it's personal service that will help us to get to know you and help us to get the most compensation for you.
When I meet with men in a consultation who are worried about custody, the first question they ask is, because she's the woman, she's going to get custody of the children, right? And I'm only going to get every other weekend. My answer is an affirmative no. That is not the case. Our judges understand that both parents are important for children. In fact, our courts say that the judge cannot consider mom or dad as a preference. They have to consider what's in the best interest of your child or your children. And for the most part, our judges think that in the best interest of your children is for both parents to be involved and to have some form of joint custody, time spent with both parents. Now, certainly there's some cases where that doesn't happen, but that's usually a rare situation that involves specific facts to that case. If you're worried about custody, definitely talk to a lawyer. But remember, just because it's mom and dad against each other doesn't mean mom always wins.